Hello everybody, I am going to show you how to create a Google site for communication arts. Please follow along and create as you go. Have fun! Hello everyone, we are going to create a website for your writing in communication arts. And the first thing you're going to need to do is go into week 8 and open that slide presentation and find your slide. And then you just click on your slide and you're going to File, and you are going to download it as either a JPEG or a PNG. I've already done that, so I'm not going to do it again because you will need this for your website. The next thing you're going to have to do is open up your narrative. So if I haven't returned it to you yet, you might have to unsubmit it. Personal narrative turn in, let's see, whoop, open up. And then, so say for example, Connor, his is turned in, and as of Tuesday afternoon, I hadn't graded it yet. So he would have to unsubmit it so that he can make a copy of it to put on his website, add it to his drive. Okay, so this is a little confusing, I know. All right, you need to go into your Google Drive. And the first thing you're going to do is go up here to where it says Google Apps. Click on that, and you're going to see Sites. Click on Sites. And then we are just going to do a blank site. Click on that. And the first thing you're going to do is give your site a title. And I want you to type Communication Arts. And then you're going to put in the little tilde. So that's the shift. It's right under your escape, I think. Shift, tilde, and I'm going to put, I'm going to type mine green B. Okay. All right. And so then it's there. You can all of a sudden see the blue publish sign show up. Click on publish. Now, my site is Communication Arts Green B. And now my default is who can view my site? Anyone at Eastern Carver County Schools. Yours might say, oops, actually, no. So yours might say restricted, so you want to change that to anyone at Eastern Carver County Schools should be able to view it. Oh, change. Okay. See, mine is restricted right now. You want it published. Anyone can find and open. You do not have the public option. And done. And then publish. Okay. Phew. Then here, your page title. Well, you can pick whatever theme you like. There's a few different ones: simple, Aristotle, diplomat, vision, level, or impression. I kind of like diplomat or simple. Let's try diplomat. And then you're going to type Communication Arts again. And you can see it's pretty big. And so I'm going to pull on the blue button and to stretch it until it fits. And then I kind of like that. I've spelled it correctly, capitalized communication. Please write the full word. And arts is also capitalized. And then I'm going to change my image. And I've actually taken a clip of my cover, And I'm going to put that there. And that's that. Oops. Okay. So then the next thing I'm going to do, oh, that's weird, is I am going to add a new page. So where it says pages, oh, actually first on my cover, I'm going to insert a text box and it shows up down here and I'm going to type, actually, I'm going to change that to a title and I'm going to type welcome to my website. Here is the work I have done for communication arts. And I might type enjoy. And then maybe instead of left, I want it centered. And I'll enter and enter. So this is kind of my landing page. And I'm happy with that. So now I'm going to, and then, another thing you can do. Oh, not right now. We're not going to do it for that one. All right. So then the next thing you're going to do is click on pages. And you're going to go down here to the plus sign and you're going to create a new page. And your new page is going to be called narrative writing. Make sure it's spelled correctly. And then done. And then it automatically creates that narrative writing page. And I'm going to keep that image, I think. All right. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Google Drive again. So I'm just going to publish this because unlike everything else Google Sites do not save automatically. So I publish quite regularly. So publish, and it shows me the changes I've made. And I'm happy with that. So now I'm going to go into my Google Drive and I'm going to find my recents. So there is my cover that I downloaded. And what I'm going to do is go up to these three dots where it says more actions, and I'm going to share. And yours is restricted. You want to change it to Eastern Carver County Schools. Anyone can view. And you're going to say copy that. Actually, just done for now. So I know that it's shared. And then I'm also going to open up my narrative. There it is, first and lasting impressions. And I'm going to share that. I think mine is already shared. Anyone, but just make sure Eastern Carver County Schools, and that is done. Okay, so I know that both of those are shared. They are not restricted. They don't have the little lockup there. Now I'm going to go back to my site and I'm going to click on Insert again. And the layout I want you to choose is the second one that has the two images. And you can see that. The first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on the plus sign and I'm going to go from Drive. And I can go click on this little arrow here and click on Recent. And I'm going to insert my cover there. And I'm going to type my narrative. And I'm going to delete this one there. And And I'm going to pull this down so that you can see my whole cover when you look at that page, my first and lasting impressions. Then I'm going to click on this title. Actually, I'm going to go back to my narrative now. And I'm going to share it. I'm going to copy that link. Okay, back to my website, and I'm going to highlight my narrative. I'm going to click on this where it says Insert Link, and I'm going to paste that link that I just copied, and I'm going to apply so that if you click on that title, it'll take you right to the doc. But we're also just going to insert the doc here. So here we're going to hit this plus sign, and it's also from Drive. And it's going to be in your recents again. And there's that document. Insert that. And I'm going to write first and last impressions, because that's my title. I'm going to delete this one. And then I'm going to pull that down also. You're not going to be able to see the whole thing because my narrative is 2 full pages, but I'm just going to even it up with my cover. And then maybe over here you want to change the background. So you have a little palette here. You can click on that, and that's regular. Let's see what emphasis 1 looks like. Okay, gives it a little bit of a gray. Let's see what emphasis 2 looks like. Ooh, really dark. I kind of like that because then it makes my Statue of Liberty pop. You really don't want to add an image because then it kind of makes it look a little muddy. So you can pick either regular emphasis 1 or emphasis 2. And then once I've got that, I'm going to preview. Now, where's my little preview button? It's somewhere around here. Preview. I'm going to see, does that look the way I want it to? Ooh, I think it looks kind of cool. I thought I had stretched that out to be the same size, but maybe not. And my home page, welcome to my website. Here's the work I have done for Communication Arts. Enjoy. And I'm happy with that, so I click on this little X to stop previewing. And I think, okay, publish. I'm happy with it. Click publish again. And then what I'm going to do is not up here, but over here where it says, where you see this little link sign, you're going to copy your published site link, copy link, and then you're going to go into Google Classroom. And if you go to classwork, you're not going to see it yet, but you're going to see Wednesday work. And in Wednesday work, it says, please watch the instructional video on how to create a website. So hopefully you've just done that. Then please create a website and link your paper, and then please send the link in the Google form below. So you're going to copy that link. So you open up this Google form and you turn in the link to your website and you submit. So then when I go to that, I can see the responses. And so far, I'm the first person who has linked my website here. And I can click on it, open it up, and there is the website with my cover and my narrative. All right, so that is your Wednesday work. Thank you.